Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some marinated boneless skinless chicken thighs on my Weber Kettle. So let's get queuing. I have a 3-pound tray of boneless skinless chicken thighs here and some Mr. Yoshida's original gourmet sweet teriyaki sauce that I'm going to use to marinate them in. So this tray of chicken thighs was $3.99 a pound, so it was $12.17. So this chicken seems pretty good, so I'm not going to rinse it. If you want to rinse it, you can. I'm tired of that debate. Rinse, don't rinse. You cook it to kill the germs anyway, so do it your way. Do whatever you want. Now, I may have to pull off a little bit of this excess fat on some of those, but first what I'm going to do is just get them all in there and get the sauce on them, get them marinating. I'm going to leave them sitting right on the counter and just let marinate on the counter for maybe an hour or so at room temperature, because if you're just doing them for a short time like this, when the chicken warms up, the pores in the meat open up more and it takes up the marinade better. If you want to do them longer, you can do them like overnight, put them in the refrigerator if you want to. But like I said, I'm just going to do them this way and get them all mixed up and let them sit here for a bit. And then I'm going to go out and get the grill lit and set up. Alright, let's get the grill lit. Neighbor's dog's having a barking attack over there, so hopefully you can hear me okay. I'm using Royal Oak lump charcoal. I put it in the slow ones here. I'm not using any water for chicken. I never do. I used a paper towel soaked in vegetable oil, and I add just a little bit of lighter fluid to that as well, just to help it get going. And there we go. Just use that to get the coals lit. And I have a drip pan on one side to catch the grease. If you don't have one of those, you can put foil down there. That helps with the cleanup. So I'm going to cook the chicken indirect, meaning, you know, it'll be on this side of the grill, so it won't be directly over the heat, because that marinade tends to burn a bit. You can do it directly, but you're going to have to move it around more because it does burn a bit. But so as soon as that gets going, we'll get the chicken on there. This Royal Oak lump charcoal pops a lot. Annie's probably hiding under the bed. She hates the noise. Anyway, I use that the most just because I like the flavor of it. It's a little more subtle than charcoal briquettes. So, and it gets a little bit hotter as well. I like cooking chicken pretty hot. So I'm putting these on there. I'm putting them the bone side up first. That's the side that would be wrapped around the bone. These are, you know, boneless, skinless. So just get all these on there. Looks like they should just fit. I think there was 8 of them, 10 of them. Let's see, 4, 8 of them. Yeah, so this marinade is fairly salty. So what I'm going to do is put just a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper on there. This has no salt. If you watch me a lot, you already know what's in this. Besides pepper, sugar, red, green, bell pepper, garlic, and onion. Alrighty, that looks good. Let's get the lid on there and let them go. I'm leaving the vents wide open for now. It's been about 20 minutes, and this grill's hot. It's like 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Told you I like cooking chicken hot. That looks good. I think I can turn it over now. I wonder if I could just do it with my hands. Sometimes that's easier if it's not too hot. Yeah, just do that real quick. Ooh, that one was a little hotter, a little closer to the fire there. Ow, ow, ow. Might have to grab the tongs for these last ones. They're getting kind of hot. But it is a little easier than trying to get hold of them with these tongs sometimes. So, those look real nice. Now what I'm going to do now is maybe, they look plain on that side, so I'm going to brush on just a little bit more of that sauce, and then sprinkle on a little bit more of the Johnny's seasoned pepper. That extra sauce will give them a little more color and help the Johnny's seasoning stick to this side. Alright, now we'll get the lid back on there for a few more minutes. It's been about 10 or 15 more minutes, so about 30-35 minutes total. And I'd say those look pretty darn good. I'm going to get them off of there. Nice color to those. Real nice. Look at that. Yeah. Nice color on that. Let's break a piece open and see how it looks on the inside. You want the internal temperature to be about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know if I mentioned that, but you can go higher. I mean, I've cooked chicken thighs up to like 200 degrees and it's fine. It doesn't really dry out. It's pretty forgiving. I like this. Look at this piece was close to the edge. I like these little nice little nuggets of crispiness like that. Let's try that out. That's good. I love those crispy edge pieces. Let's see what Annie thinks. What do you think, Annie? You want to try that? Inhaled. Chicken thighs with that sauce is a really good combination. In fact, I've used that sauce in the crock pot as well. It's really good that way too. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.